Dear students, this is part 5th and probably the last part of this chapter. Here in this lecture we will be discussing the various important products that are manufactured from sodium chloride such as washing soda, baking soda and bleaching powder. Baking soda. The chemical name of this compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. It is produced by using sodium chloride as one of the main raw materials. Sodium chloride is treated with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia when it forms ammonium chloride and the sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. The properties are: it is a white crystalline solid that is sparingly soluble in water, and when it is heated it loses carbon dioxide and water, forming sodium carbonate. Twice NaCO3 produces sodium carbonate plus water plus hydrogen on heating. Now the uses of baking soda. It is a mild corrosive base. It helps in faster cooking. It is used as an antacid to neutralize the excess acid level in stomach. Soda acid is used in fire extinguishers and it has a use as an antiseptic. When sodium bicarbonate is heated, it produces carbon dioxide, water and sodium carbonate. The excess release of carbon dioxide is used in making cakes, sponges and other bakery products. The release of carbon dioxide creates pores and hollow spaces within bread and cakes, and as such they become spongy and soft. Washing soda. Washing soda is also known as sodium carbonate decahydrate. In crystalline form, the 10 molecules of water of crystalline are present in it. So it has a formula of Na2CO3 10 times water. Preparation. Sodium carbonate is manufactured by Solvay's process. It is known as ammonia soda process. Here, sodium chloride is treated with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia to form sodium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride. Then the sodium bicarbonate is heated when it produces sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide with the release of water. During its formation, 10 molecules of water get associated in its crystal structure, and as such it has 10 molecules of water as water of crystallization. Uses. It is used in making soaps and washing powder. It is also used in paper and glass factories as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. It is used for preparation of sodium hydroxide, borax, sodium silicate, sodium phosphate, etc. It is used for the manufacturing of paints, and it is also used for removal of permanent hardness from water. Bleaching powder. It is calcium oxychloride. It has a chemical formula of CaOCl2. It is prepared from calcium hydroxide. When chlorine gas is passed over dry silicate lime, that is calcium hydroxide, we get calcium oxychloride plus water. Properties. It is a white powder which gives strong smell of chlorine, and it is soluble in cold water. Uses. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industries. It is used for bleaching wood pulp in paper factories and for bleaching washed cloths and laundries. It has a main use as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. It is also used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs and microorganisms.